In this video, we are learning how to create this type of slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select the rectangle shape, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select this shape, drag it like this. Let's rotate a little, increase the size of all slides. Also select this shape and choose a Intersect from Work Shape. Go to Shape Fill, change the color. Shape outline, make it no outline. Duplicate the shape and change the color. Set it like this. And send to back. Duplicate the shape and change the color. And send to back. Go back to Insert. Click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Click the right button and cut the picture. Again click on right button, go to Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill and insert picture from clipboard. Select this and increase the transparency. Select it as well and increase the transparency. Go back to Insert. Select the text box. Write 2024 here. Select and change the font. Make it bold and increase the font size. Also change the color. Press Ctrl Shift and take it the downside. Write slide here. Select and change the color. Press Ctrl Shift and take it the downside. Let's write design here. Select and decrease the size. Change the font. Also change the color. Select all text box. Go to Shadow and select this shadow from Presets. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our slide looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.